أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Viewers, as you know, I am discussing a specific topic, Islam and nature. In this respect, I delivered my last lecture that there is too much relevancy between Islam and nature. Today I will continue this topic. To enhance my topic, I will take reference from the Holy Quran. In Holy Quran, Allah Almighty says in Surah Rum, verse number 30, so devote yourself to the religion of monotheism, the natural instinct that is instilled into mankind by Allah Almighty. The creation of Allah Almighty cannot be changed. Islam is a true religion, but most people don't know about its reality. Our Holy Prophet said, the birth of every child is on Islamic nature. It's the lap of mother and society who brings the child or to convert the child to different religions and societies. From the verse of Holy Quran and the saying of our Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, it's clearly that the nature or instinct that is instilled into the human body or mankind, that is created by Allah Almighty. Firstly, I will discuss the parts of the body. As the function of ear is to hear, the function of eye is to see, the function of hand is to touch and work, the function of feet is to walk, and the function of heart is to circulate the blood into the human body. Every part of the body works according to its own nature that is instilled by Allah Almighty into human body until the disturbance of their status. So, in this respect, when we want to do a bad work, we feel fear, and to commit a sin, we find a separate place so that nobody can see us that we are doing bad. This is a human nature to hide himself on doing a bad work. It is the nature of a human being, and that is instilled into human body by Allah Almighty. And this fear or hiding himself is the direction of nature, the message of nature, that whatever you are doing, that is against the morality, against the laws of nature, against the nature that is installed into the human body. Similarly, when we do a good work, our common sense, our good sense indicates us, conveys us that you are doing good, that our mind and our interior instilled good senses get relaxation. So, conclusion is that whatever we do in our daily life, the nature that is instilled into human body tells every time on the doing of every work, tells us that you are doing good or you are doing bad, and that alarming situation that is indicating us that how you are spending your life, and whatever you are doing, whether is according to the nature or not. And in this holy verse that I have referenced here, that so devote yourself to the religion of monotheism. Monotheism, the oneness of Allah Almighty and His Messenger Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And in this verse, Allah Almighty is addressing to the people, not the believers, not the Muslims. Here in this verse, Allah Almighty is addressing to the people, all type of mankind, whether they are Muslim or non-Muslim. So it's proved that the person, whether he is Muslim or non-Muslim, who is spending the life on this earth, has installed or instilled instinct in his own body that always indicates him, provides him the guidance, whether you are doing good or bad. This is the nature, and same Islamic rules are also same. Whatever Islam forbids, nature disallow that. Whatever nature forbids, Islam disallow that. Inshallah, I will continue by this topic to enhance the comprehension of my topic and to enhance the comprehension in the minds of the viewers, so that the topic can be cleared, inshallah.